So once you've calculated your PVT and uploaded production data, you're ready to calculate your bottomhole pressures. And to do that, you just need to go to the bottomhole pressure module right here. And then you need to input some of the relevant data. In the Excel sheet that you have been provided, we have provided the relevant data. The first thing you can do is to go to the deviation survey sheet, and you can just copy the MD and TVD straight into the plot right here. And then you can add some of the wellbore data. So here we have the top perforation, we have right here, we have the bottom perforation right there. We can also add some of the casing and tubing data as well. So the data we need here is the tubing and casing data. So here we go with our tubing data. So we add that in right here, and then we add in our casing data, which is right here. And for this particular well, we actually have two casings. We have casing number 2 as well. So we simply just add in both that or all of that information. And it looks like we also have some gas lift. So that's the last page right here. Pick gas lift method. The start date is 28/0. So that is something we can then make for, and we can make it 30. So we just type that in right there. And then this one is then 8,000. So once you imported all this data, so now we're doing this manually, and I'll show you later how we can just upload this entire sheet, and software will digest that and populate it for a given well. But let's say I would like to just calculate this data right now. What the software is doing is that it uses the PVT that you calculated, it uses the production data that you've uploaded to then essentially calculate 4 different bottomhole pressure versus time for 4 different correlations. That's the Beggs and Brills, Hogan and Brown, Volz-Martin, Gaillard, and Gray. In this case, we have some calculated data uploaded with another correlation or from another tool. That's the one in black right here. That was also using Beggs and Brills.